Okay, so he... Are you freaked out, Jerry?
I feel violated. How did he know I was sticking 2 fingers up?
Oh, you're psychic.
Ask him, what am I doing again?
Okay. Okay.
Wait up. This time we'll do something different.
Okay. What am I gonna do now?
Why you tell him sticking? He knows he's gonna say sticking. Because he's still right there. Oh, I know what he's doing. He's probably sticking his fingers up. Okay. Ask him, don't face that thing looking at me.
Sure, there's nothing right there, man. It's like all clear.
Probably spying on me right now.
Oh my goodness, ridiculous.
Let's ask him, what finger am I sticking up?
Okay.
You see, he's looking at me.
He's not looking at you, man. Okay, come on, come on. Sorry, bud. Right, sorry. Go right there.
I bet he's gonna say middle finger. But the whole time he said thumb. No, tell me what am I holding up.
Okay, you type that.
Hey, where you get this picture from? Right?
Yeah, Facebook.
From Miami?
I got it's in Miami. He took it in Miami, but I got it from Facebook.
You saw the picture of him in Miami?
Yeah. He got more on his Facebook page.
Tell me what am I holding up.
Answer.
Okay, what is he holding up?
What is the person...
Are you answering those things?
I'm typing the question. What is the person holding up next to me? Alright. I want to make sure. Okay. Alright. As you see, JR is holding a cell phone. And Peter writes cell phone.
That's not real true. Peter, you a freak.
JR!
Yeah, that means like I can see me doing anything.
Alright, JR.
I'm gonna use the bathroom. You ask me what I'm doing. Ask me if I'm pooping or what?
Wait, JR. I gotta tell you something.
Why are you recording me on that?
It's a joke!
You did this?
It's a prank! That was funny! That was funny! You're like... I feel so violated! He's watching me! It's okay, you're better than Rexon. Rexon's reaction was funny.
What do you do?
Joey and them told me that he was like, man, don't put my name in there, man. This is like demon stuff and all that. And then I did it in Augusta to Yaya. And she was like, man, he's making me snap. And she was snapping her fingers and everything. She was getting freaked out. Oh, GR. That was classic. That was nice.